Good morning guys, it's like 6:30 a.m. in the morning and I just got done with my workout. So today will be the first day that all the heads are gonna meet for the first time after the 7 sem final exams. So basically today's scene will be on planning on how to get on with the fabrication and sponsorship and stuff like that. So let's get ready in 3, 2, 1. So everything is set for day 1 and let's meet in the workshop. But wait, before going, make sure you like this video and subscribe and also share it with all your friends so that even they can be with us on this amazing journey. So without further ado, let's get to the workshop. Okay, so finally we are in the workshop and meet Bharadwaj, the vice captain of the team.
Hi everyone.
So Amanta, what is Formula Student according to you in one word?
Formula Student, one word is just fantastic. That's all. It's an overall package.
Okay, cool. Let's get into the workshop. So right now we are going to the machine shop to get some suspension bushes machined in lathe. So let's check it out. Sir, ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್
ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
10 mm.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಸರಿನಾ?
ಓಕೆ. So this is the part that we machined out of the lathe. So as you can see, it doesn't look really good because this was just a rough turning, because we are doing this just to check, and once it fits the A-arms, then we'll be getting the new blocks completely and machining out of them properly. So this took roughly about 30 minutes to complete on a normal 3-jaw chuck lathe. So we've got some parts delivered today, so let's check it out. So this was received from one of our sponsors. We'll let you know about them later. They packed it really well so that it doesn't get damaged during transportation. So these are the parts received today. The mounts for the bell cranks have been given for laser cut. So once that comes, we'll be welding it onto the chassis and then we'll be mounting onto these. So make sure you like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.